Hi, friends. Welcome to Talk Through Tales. Here, you'll enjoy stories in three levels. Level 1 is very easy, with simple words and short sentences. Level 2 is a little higher. You'll learn more words and practice longer sentences. Level 3 is advanced, with rich vocabulary and expressions to make your English strong. Step by step, these stories will improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, enjoy the stories and grow your English with us every day. Level 1, Story 8, The Monkey and the Capseller. Once there was a man. He was a capseller. He sold colorful caps in the market. One day he was tired. He sat under a big tree. He kept his basket of caps near him. Soon he fell asleep. There were many monkeys on the tree. The monkeys saw the caps. They became curious. One by one, the monkeys came down. They opened the basket. They took the caps. Each monkey wore a cap. Then they climbed back to the tree. After some time, the capseller woke up. He looked at the basket. It was empty. He was shocked. He looked up. He saw the monkeys wearing caps. He became worried. How will I get my caps back? He thought. Suddenly he had an idea. He took off his own cap. He threw it on the ground. The monkeys watched him. They copied him. They also threw their caps down. The capseller was very happy. He collected all the caps. He put them back in his basket. Then he walked away smiling. Moral: clever thinking can solve problems. 1. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Example 1. I was curious about the new shop in town. Example 2. The child was curious to see what was inside the box. 2. Shocked, very surprised or upset. Example 1. I was shocked when I lost my phone. Example 2. He was shocked to hear the bad news. 3. Worried, feeling nervous or anxious about something. Example 1. I was worried about my exam. Example 2. She looked worried when her child was late. 4. Clever, smart, able to find quick solutions. Example 1. The boy was clever and solved the puzzle. Example 2. She gave a clever answer to the question. Level 2, Story 8. The Monkey and the Capseller. Once upon a time, there lived a capseller. He earned his living by selling colorful caps in the market. One hot afternoon, he felt very tired after walking for hours. He decided to rest under a large shady tree. He placed his heavy basket of caps beside him. Soon he fell into a deep sleep. On that tree lived a group of mischievous monkeys. They noticed the basket full of bright caps. Out of curiosity, they climbed down quickly. One by one, they pulled out the caps and wore them. Some monkeys put the caps straight while others wore them sideways. They laughed, chattered, and jumped from branch to branch. After some time, the capseller woke up. He rubbed his eyes and stretched his arms. When he looked into the basket, he was shocked to see it empty. Then he glanced upward and saw the monkeys proudly wearing his caps. He felt worried and thought, how will I get them back? Suddenly, a clever idea struck him. He knew monkeys often imitate people. So he removed the cap from his own head and threw it on the ground. The monkeys copied him at once and threw down their caps too. The capseller quickly gathered all the caps, put them back into the basket, and smiled with relief. He continued his journey to the market, feeling grateful for his cleverness. Moral: a smart mind can overcome any problem. 1. Earned his living to make money for daily needs. Example 1. He earned his living by selling fruits. Example 2. She earned her living by teaching children. 2. Exhausted, very tired, having no strength. Example 1. I felt exhausted after climbing the hill. Example 2. The workers were exhausted after long hours of work. 3. Mischievous, playful in a naughty or cheeky way. Example 1. The mischievous child hid his mother's keys. Example 2. The dog looked mischievous after stealing the shoe. 4. Curiosity, the desire to know or learn something. Example 1. The boy opened the box out of curiosity. Example 2. Curiosity made me read the whole story. 5. Chattered, talked quickly, or made repeated sounds, often animals. Example 1. The monkeys chattered loudly in the forest. Example 2. The children chattered happily in the classroom. 6. Glanced, looked quickly at something. Example 1. She glanced at the clock during the exam. Example 2. He glanced at me but said nothing. 7. Imitate. To copy someone's actions or behavior. Example 1. The actor can imitate many famous voices. Example 2. Children often imitate their teachers. 8. Relief. A feeling of comfort after worry or stress ends. Example 1. I felt great relief when I found my lost wallet. Example 2. She sighed with relief after finishing the exam. 9. Grateful. Feeling thankful. Example 1. I am grateful for my friend's help. Example 2. She was grateful to the doctor for saving her child. 10. Cleverness. The quality of being smart and quick thinking. Example 1. The boy's cleverness helped him solve the puzzle. Example 2. He won the game with his cleverness. Level 3. Story 8. The Monkey and the Capseller. Long ago, there lived a hard-working capseller who traveled from village to village selling his colorful caps. One scorching afternoon, after walking for several miles, he grew utterly exhausted. Searching for shade, he came across a giant banyan tree. Relieved, he placed his basket of caps on the ground, leaned against the trunk, and soon drifted into a deep slumber. High above, a troop of playful monkeys watched him with keen curiosity. Their eyes fell upon the basket brimming with bright caps. Unable to resist temptation, they leapt down swiftly. One after another, they snatched the caps, placed them on their heads, and scampered back up the branches. Soon, the whole tree was alive with chatter and laughter as the monkeys paraded about, proudly showing off their new treasures. After some time, the capseller awoke. He rubbed his eyes, stretched, and turned to check his basket, only to discover it empty. Panic gripped him. Then, as he lifted his gaze, he was astonished to see the monkeys above, each one wearing a cap. He sat for a moment, thinking desperately. Suddenly, inspiration struck. Knowing that monkeys often mimic human behavior, he removed his own cap. With a swift motion, he flung it to the ground. As expected, the monkeys copied him and hurled their caps down as well. Overjoyed, the capseller hurried to gather every single cap, placed them carefully back into his basket, and tied it securely. He smiled in triumph and continued his journey, grateful for his quick wit. Moral: presence of mind and ingenuity can turn even the trickiest situation into victory. On. Hardworking, putting a lot of effort into work. Example 1. She is a hardworking student who always completes her homework. Example 2. The hardworking farmer worked in the fields all day. 2. Scorching, very hot, burning. Example 1. We stayed inside during the scorching heat of summer. Example 2. The desert felt scorching under the sun. 3. Exhausted, extremely tired, without energy. Example 1. He was exhausted after climbing the mountain. Example 2. I felt exhausted after studying all night. 4. Slumber, sleep, especially deep or peaceful sleep. Example 1. The baby was in a sweet slumber. Example 2. After lunch, I fell into a short slumber. 5. Troop, a group of people or animals. Example 1. A troop of soldiers marched past the road. Example 2. We saw a troop of monkeys near the temple. 6. Brimming, full to the top. Example 1. Her eyes were brimming with tears. Example 2. The basket was brimming with fresh fruits. 7. Temptation, a strong desire to do or have something. Example 1. He could not resist the temptation to eat chocolate. Example 2. The temptation to buy new clothes was strong. 8. Scamper, to run or move quickly, often playfully. Example 1. The children scampered across the playground. Example 2. The mouse scampered into its hole. 9. Paraded, walked proudly to show something. Example 1. The soldiers paraded in front of the king. Example 2. She paraded her new dress at the party. 10. Astonished, very surprised. Example 1. I was astonished to see the magician's trick. Example 2. She looked astonished at the sudden news. 11th. Inspiration, a sudden good idea. Example 1. The teacher's words gave me inspiration. Example 2. He found inspiration in nature for his painting. 12th. Mimic, to copy someone's speech or actions. Example 1. The child could mimic his teacher's voice. Example 2. The comedian mimicked famous actors. 13. Hurled, threw something with force. Example 1. He hurled the ball across the field. Example 2. The angry man hurled a stone at the wall. 14th. Triumph, a great victory or success. Example 1. Winning the race was his biggest triumph. Example 2. She smiled in triumph after finishing the project. 15th. Ingenuity, the ability to be clever, creative, or inventive. Example 1. The engineer's ingenuity solved the difficult problem. Example 2. Human ingenuity has created amazing machines. Thank you so much for joining us on Talk Through Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and also learned some new words. Keep watching Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 stories to improve step by step. Practice daily and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories.